In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Xero email templates. Whether you're looking to add a personal touch, update information, or just ensure consistency in your communication, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. First, you want to start by navigating to your Xero dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll notice your business name prominently displayed. Click on it. This is your portal to all the settings you'll need to tailor your Xero experience. After clicking your business name, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This section is essentially the control center for your Xero account, where you can adjust various functionalities to suit your specific business needs. Now that you're in the Settings section, focus your attention on finding Email Settings. Here lies the ability to customize how your business communicates with clients through email. Click on Email Settings, and let's move a step closer to the email templates. Within Email Settings, you'll find a tab labeled Templates. This is the heart of your email customization options in Xero. Click on Templates, and you'll be greeted with a list of various transaction types. These transaction types represent the different contexts in which emails are sent from Xero, such as invoices, receipts, or quotes. Once you locate the transaction type for which you want to edit the email, click on it. This action will open up the editing field. Here is where your creativity and precision can come into play. You now have the opportunity to edit the contents of the template email. Whether you want to tweak the wording to better reflect your brand voice, update a footer with current contact information, or introduce any specific instructions for your recipients, this is the place to do it. After you've made the necessary adjustments and are satisfied with the new look and feel of your email template, remember the important step: click Save. Saving ensures that all your changes are stored and will be applied the next time this particular email template is used in a transaction. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully edited your Xero email templates, creating a consistent and professional communication style for your business. Don't hesitate to revisit your email templates if any changes are needed in the future, as keeping your communication up to date and relevant is essential to maintaining a professional relationship with your clients. Thank you for tuning in, and happy customizing.